Hi! In this short video, you can learn how to send SMS reminders from your Google Calendar. First, open our app. You can create reminders by using the sidebar or activate automated reminders. Let's start with the sidebar. Simply click an event and then enter the phone number. Click on Save. That's it. A bell icon shows that we've set up the reminder.
Now, let's activate automated reminders. For that, click on Activate in the sidebar first, and then again in our app. Select the calendar you'd like to send automated reminders for.
Done. We're ready to create automated reminders now. Return to your Google Calendar and create a new event. Add the phone number with a hashtag sign in the event title or description. Save the event. That's it. The reminder is automatically created in the background and the bell icon appears after a few seconds. To wrap this video up, let's see how easy it is to receive confirmations. When we click on an event, we can see that our reminder message includes a link. When clicked, a mobile-optimized, customizable appointment page opens. When the Confirm button is clicked, the bell icon in our event title is replaced by a green checkmark. In the US, Canada, Australia, and the United Kingdom, recipients can also simply reply with a 1 to your text message to confirm. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching this video.